Join your hands and start chanting of Omkar thrice. Saira. Aryan, very good. You are
I am, sir.
very good, very good. Very important subtopic we will discuss today in our class. And I am going to start with a thing that is known as hormones. You heard better harmonical changes. You heard about this term somewhere in the family or surrounding? Harmonical changes? Yes. Actually, in the life of human being, we face harmonical change in our life two times. First, in the beginning of puberty, and second, at the age of 45, 50. There may be slight difference in these two situations. One thing that is, I am very clearly talking to you. The word puberty means sexual characteristics developed, body is going to become mature to reproduce. Just think, is a 10 or 11-year-old child able to give birth to someone? Answer is directly no. Is 60-year-old man or woman able to give birth to someone?
Uh, I'm
No,
not sure.
no. In some cases, it is possible. I will come to that point also. Why these changes you are facing nowadays? Because different glands present in your body started releasing different hormones. What are these hormones? We already discussed about the sex organs and the hormones released by them. Two sex hormones in male. Do you know, anybody of you know what is male sex hormones
Estrogen.
and what is female hormones?
Sir, female नहीं पता.
Okay, I will come to this point. Hormones are the chemical substance. What are hormones? They are chemical substance which coordinate the activities of living organisms. It means the chemical substance which coordinate or control the activities of living organism and their growth also. जो हमारे, I am not talking about the activities that is outside the body, within the body, the activities are taking place inside the bodies are controlled by the hormones. So what are hormones? They are chemical substances. And hormones are secreted by special tissues in the body and known as endocrine glands. We'll discuss about the two types of glands, endocrine glands and exocrine glands. This endocrine glands, the hormones are poured directly into the blood and carried throughout the body by the circulatory system. So ऐसे हार्मोन्स जो सीधे ब्लड में जाके मिलते हैं रिलीज होने के बाद, वे कौन से हार्मोन्स होते हैं बेटा? एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड से निकले हुए हार्मोन्स. The hormones directly act on specific tissue or specific organ in the body. That is its target site. When we talk, look here, when we talk about the female hormones, so what is female hormones target site?
Sir, your voice is not coming clear.
Yes, sir.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
It's breaking.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ बेटा, ये मैंने अपना कैमरा बंद कर दिया है, ये हो सकता है नेटवर्क का कोई इश्यू हो।
सर
अब आ रही है क्या?
यस सर अब आ रही है।
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो थोड़ी देर के
Yes, sir,
लिए
अब आ
मैं कैमरा ऑफ रख रहा हूँ। ओके, कई बार इसको भी थोड़ा सा इधर सकता है। So in male hormones, that specific tissue or target site is testis, penis, where the effect of hormones released by male sex organs or glands directly affect. What is the role of hormones? The hormone involved in the development and control of the reproductive organs. Reproductive organs का जो, अब आप देखो बेटा, जब आप छोटे थे तब आपकी बॉडी में डेवलपमेंट नहीं था, लेकिन आज आप बड़े हो गए हो तो आपकी बॉडी में उस तरीके से डेवलपमेंट शुरू हो गया है। You are a girl, so you are developing like a girl and will become an adult woman after 10 years, 20 years, 15 years. Boys are developing like a man. Gradually they are developing, and because the hormones started releasing by the particular gland in your body, and that's why development and control of the reproductive organs, and as well as the secondary sexual characteristics are becoming visible. So the hormones which are involved in this development and control of reproductive organs activities, they are called sexual hormones or sex hormones. Sex hormones are the responsible for bringing secondary sexual characteristics in the young children. And very common two common sex hormones are testosterone and estrogen. Estrogen in male and I will come to this point. So two sex hormones are there, estrogen and testosterone. Okay. Again, we are coming to the types of glands, endocrine and exocrine gland. So a gland, endocrine glands कौन सी होती है? जो अपना सीक्रेशन डक्ट में करती है. A gland which secretes its product or into a tube or duct known as endocrine gland. जो अपना सीक्रेशन डायरेक्ट डक्ट में करती है, ट्यूब में करती हैं, वे एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स कहलाती हैं. It means exocrine glands having ducts, having tubes. And कौन से होते हैं अपन देखें तो बेटा, आपकी हमारी salivary glands हैं. Where are salivary glands present? In the mouth cavity. तो salivary gland secretes saliva into a duct. And what is that duct? Salivary duct. इसी तरीके से हम देखें, so what is salivary gland? Salivary glands? Salivary gland is a endocrine gland. Sweat gland, sebaceous gland, oil gland, ये भी क्या होती हैं? Exocrine glands होती हैं, which secretes their secretion through ducts or tube. अब जो ट्यूब या डक्ट के थ्रू अपना सीक्रेशन नहीं करते हैं, gland which does not have duct or tube and secretes its product directly into the blood, they are called endocrine glands. What they are called? Endocrine glands. It means endocrine glands are the ductless gland. जिसमें डक्ट नहीं होती हैं, दे आर डक्टलेस ग्लैंड। एंड हमारी बॉडी में कई पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड ग्लैंड, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, these are the endocrine glands which directly secrete their product into the blood। ये बात आ गई समझ में? अब मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखा रहा हूं। इस वीडियो में हम 3 चीजें कवर करेंगे। एक बात मैंने आपको बेटा अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोली। लेट मी क्लियर यू फर्स्ट। One of the very important secondary sexual characteristics in the girl is the menstruation period. Body through their organ release blood. Is it blood or what is it? I will come to this point later. This is, in general language, we call it monthly periods. Okay, this is one of the very important secondary sexual characteristics. When first time a girl child face this flow, having flow in their body, what is that called? That is called menarche. The first flow is called the menarche and the last flow is called the pause, menopause. Are you getting my point? The first flow, this is called menarche, and the last flow, this is called menopause. It means the timing between the menarche and menopause, it is the reproductive phase of our life. Yes or no? It means any girl child can give birth to young ones in between this period, menarche to menopause. Yes? Okay. But generally what happens? As we know that the first period of first flow takes place at the age of 13, 14, 15. It depends. And just now I said that between this period of time, menarche to menopause, a girl is able to give birth to young ones. So what do you think? A girl of age 13, 14, 15 is able to give birth? No. It means can give birth, but body's other internal organs are not that much developed to bear that all these situations in their body. That's why 13, 14, 15, this is not the right age of marriage. What is the right age of marriage for a girl child? 18 years.
21. 18.
Yes?
18 years.
18.
18. And for the boys?
21.
21.
21.
मतलब गर्ल्स जल्दी समझदार हो जाती हैं, बॉयज लेट समझदार होते हैं।
Yes, sir.
एग्रीड?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ समझदार होने का मतलब ये नहीं है आप ये समझदारी को यहाँ पढ़ाई लिखाई की समझदारी मत समझिएगा। बिकॉज चेंजेस इन द बॉडी easily identified by the girl in her own body at the earlier age. That's why. Is it clear what I just told you? The first flow and the last flow, menarche and menopause. Lots of challenges girls generally face in their life. Which life is more challengeable, girls' life or a boy's life?
Girls.
Girls' life. Those are boys in the class. They may have a brother, a sister, may not have sister. हो सकता है आपकी बहन हो या नहीं हो, मदर तो है, मदर है, कजन सिस्टर्स हैं, मौसी है, चाची है, ये सब फीमेल की कैटेगरी में आती है। यस, अब आप देखिए, द गर्ल्स बॉडी नीड मोर बैलेंस डाइट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम। मैं आपसे क्यों, जब आप बहुत छोटे थे, 6th में थे, 5th में थे, तब से आपसे कहते आ रहा हूं कि आपको बैलेंस डाइट लेनी चाहिए। You have to take green leafy vegetables in your diet because all these reasons. Rishika, very late. What happened?
सर नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा था, फिर मैंने पापा के फोन से करा तब वो हो गया।
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Now see this video, what just I discussed. It's a brief introduction in this video. Then I will come to in detail about the role of hormones and their specific functions.
Mummy. Sania's mother trains and performs various activities. We learned in the last chapter, girls and boys both go through a period of change in their bodies and minds, which is called as adolescence. The changes that happen only in the body, particularly are called puberty. Girls get puberty at the age of 10 and it ends at about 60.
60.
Boys get puberty at the age of 12 and it ends at about 18. Though this differs from person to person, the signs of getting puberty are increased facial and growth of pubic hair, growth of height and widening of bone structure. The skin also changes and girls and boys may experience getting acne on their skin and oily skin. This normally goes away as the teenagers reach the age of adulthood. Both the genders experience changes in their bodies as their sex organs grow. Male sex organs like the testes and penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. The ovaries also start releasing mature eggs. Girls therefore also begin to have menstruation cycle every month. Both boys and girls go through emotional changes. They can feel scared and unsure about their bodily changes. Also, since they are neither a child nor a fully grown adult, they feel confused about their roles. Friends become preferable companions. This museum is so close to our house. I wonder why we don't come more often.
Because we have a lot of work on Saturdays and Sundays. The museums are closed.
That is true.
Let us not waste any more time. I want to go to the section where they have videos on human anatomy.
Sure, let us go. Sanya, have a look. They have videos discussing various stages of human life. This one talks about adolescence.
Let us listen to this. This is a really interesting video. I find it funny to think that all boys and men carry an apple inside their throats.
Now that you have put it this way, I don't think I will ever forget this.
Yes, that is a good way to remember too. Friends, do you know what is Adam's apple? Think about it for 2 minutes.
All of you know about it.
Yes, it is the voice box, or scientifically what we call larynx.
Larynx.
Larynx is there in both boys and girls. Although in boys, it grows larger than girls. If you are going through puberty and you are a boy, you can observe that there is a bump that is beginning to show in your throat. That is larynx. It may cause your voice to break, go hoarse for a few weeks, but later it will become better again. Now I'm a bit curious. How does it all begin in the body? This process of going through puberty, where does it all start?
I know the answer. I read it last year. The pituitary gland of the endocrine system. It gives hormonal signals to the testes of males and ovaries in females.
Just see, this is pituitary gland which is located at the base of the brain. And pituitary gland plays a very, very important role in our body. Can anybody knows about it? Pituitary gland? What is its function?
Sir, it is responsible for the production of sex hormones.
Okay. Any other? Actually, beta, it secretes so many hormones. One of the hormones is growth hormone, which is secreted. It is also called the master gland. It is called master gland because many of the hormones which is secreted, control the functioning of other endocrine gland in the body. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से जो हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं वो कई दूसरे ग्लैंड से रिलीज होने वाले हार्मोन्स को कंट्रोल करते हैं. सो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सीक्रेट्स हार्मोन्स दैट मेक अदर एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड सच एज टेस्टिस, ओवरी, थायराइड, एड्रिनल टू सीक्रेट देयर हार्मोन्स. मतलब ये सबको कंट्रोल करता है. एंड वेयर इट इज एट द बेस ऑफ द ब्रेन.
To produce testosterone and estrogen respectively.
Testosterone is the male hormones. This is male sexual hormones, and estrogen is female sexual hormones, which is secreted, which is controlled by the master gland of the body.
When the hormones reach these parts, they signal them to start the process.
Yes, and when the hormones reach to the target site, then changes occur.
Of puberty.
That is puberty.
This sounds like our body parts are playing cuckoo. Only here, they send hormones across them, patting on the back.
That is a fantastic way of looking at it, Sanya.
Because of what you just explained, and the photos here are a lot.
This is a picture which is in your text also. See better, this is the top one is the pituitary gland. I am giving you one task. Everybody will do this work and I will see on coming periods. You have to write the function of all these glands, their position also. Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary in female, testis in male. So you have to write the function and their position.
All of these internal changes are becoming clearer to me. There are a few more things that were mentioned in our workbook. I want to know a bit more about them. Friends, do you remember menstruation cycle? What are the names used for the first menstrual flow of a girl and the stoppage of menstrual flow?
Just I told, the first menstrual flow of a girl, that is called the menarche, and the stoppage of this flow is called menopause.
Yes, you got it right. The first flow is called a menarche and the stoppage of the menstruation cycle is called menopause. Kabir, now that I understand a lot more about menstruation cycle, I want to understand how does it get decided whether any...
Yes. Okay. What just I explained, a video explained, is it clear to you? Two things you have to keep in your mind. Male sex hormones, it is testosterone. Female sex hormones is estrogen. As I told you, the reproductive phase of life in humans, that is from menarche to menopause, it means from 10 to 12 years to 45 to 50 years. This is the reproductive phase of life in women. Okay. अब बहुत देर से हम बात कर रहे हैं menstruation flow, bleeding takes place in the women body. What is it? Listen to me carefully. All of you know about it. This is very, very important. Changes takes place in the girl's body. Actually, क्या होता है बेटा? In female, the reproductive phase of life, it begins at puberty. What is age? 10 to 12. That's 10 to 12 years. This is the beginning. And it ends or lasts at 45 to 50 years. हम beginning की बात कर रहे हैं. The one of the ova means eggs. Ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. जैसे puberty आती है वैसे ही जो ova है वो mature हो जाता है. One ovum matures and is released by one of the ovary once in 28 to 30 days. दो ओवरी होती हैं, उनमें से एक ओवरी हर 28 से 30 डेज के बीच में एक मैच्योर्ड एग रिलीज करती है. एंड अब हमको गर्ल्स फेस लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, लॉट्स ऑफ पेन आल्सो, suffer from anemic because of the excessive bleeding from their body. And during this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg. जो यूटेरस की वॉल होती हैं वो थिक हो जाती हैं. क्यों हो जाती हैं? उस एग को रिसीव करने के लिए. If this egg released by one of the ovary of female is fertilized by the sperm of the male, then there is no problem. That results in the pregnancy. But if fertilization does not occur, because this is not possible, कि every month when one of the ovary release matured egg should be fertilized with the sperm. No, impossible. So when the fertilization does not take place, then what happens? The release egg of the ovary and the thick line of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. बहुत ज्यादा bleeding होती है. If this egg is not fertilized, it means when women become pregnant, this periods or menstruation flow stops. So this causes bleeding in women, and this bleeding, when one of the egg released by the ovary does not get fertilized, is shed off with the blood. This is called menstruation, and it generally occurs between 28 to 30 days. And the first flow begins at puberty, and that is called menarche, and the final at the age of 45 to 50, that is called menopause. The age is not specific here. It may be different in different cases. So don't think that at this age the period should start or period should stop. But this is the fact. When this period starts at earlier age, girls are not that much mature. In both the cases, when body faces this harmonical change in the body, then problem occurs in the body, in the mind also. Children, when this kind of changes, harmonical changes occur in the body, especially girls' body, they face a lot of difficulties at that time. So proper counseling, proper guidance, correct and right amount of food is very, very important. Personal hygiene also play a very important role here. So this is what. Now I am asking a question to all of you. Who is responsible for the sex of unborn baby? Ladka hoga, ladki hogi. Who is responsible? Come forward.
Father.
Male.
Sir, father.
Male.
Sir, male.
Male is responsible.
Yes, sir.
But many people think that female is responsible for the sex of baby. Female is not responsible. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this complete remaining part of the video.
girl child?
सर देखिए नहीं
So your kid
सर
is
स्क्रीन पे
not presented.
Is not oh I didn't share. I start that video without sharing it. Sorry.
He has been quietly taking decisions about your puberty related growth. It also decides whether it will be a boy child or girl.
Tell me more. I remember us discussing chromosomes. Do you remember? Yes, I did.
How many pair of chromosomes are present in our body?
Sir 23.
Yes.
Two pairs of
23
23
pairs
chromosomes.
of chromosomes are present. And one pair of such chromosome known as sex chromosomes. They are known as X and Y chromosomes. X chromosomes and Y chromosomes.
Very good. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells.
Yes. Just see. In the male sperms, X and Y, two different chromosomes are present. And in ovary of the girls, only XX chromosomes are present. Is it clear? Now what is happening, beta? When X chromosome of sperm join with the X chromosome of egg, the result will be XX. And what will be the sex of unborn baby? That girl. But when the Y chromosomes of sperm combined with the X chromosome of egg, then that will be boy.
Boy.
In both the cases, what is common? In both the cases, this is the thing common, कि female release only X chromosomes, two X chromosomes, but male release X as well as Y chromosomes. So the father is responsible for determining the sex of baby.
Chromosomes out of these are the sex chromosomes named X and Y. A female has two X chromosomes while a male has one X and one Y chromosome. The gametes or egg and sperm have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always has one X chromosome, but sperms are of two kinds. One kind has X chromosome and the other kind has a Y chromosome. Can I tell the rest? Go ahead.
If a sperm that has Y chromosome fertilizes the egg, then we get XY, meaning a boy. And if a sperm that has X chromosome fertilizes the egg, then we get XX, meaning a girl. Oh, so the male sperm is responsible for a person having a girl child or a boy. This is interesting. Girl or a boy, I like children. They are sweet and lovable. What do you say, Mummy?
Absolutely. There is no doubt about that. We should never discriminate between girls and boys. Both are equal and should always be given equal opportunity.
Like you do.
Yes, it is very important that you take care of what you eat and drink. Also, proper exercise is extremely important. Remember, children, this is also an age where your peers might ask you to try smoking or drinking alcohol and indulge in addictive substances. Do you think what is important for you being addicted to these substances or having a good and healthy life? I believe that you both will always make a great choice.
We will always be careful, Mummy.
We learned in the chapter, boys have a larger larynx than girls.
Okay, is now I think is very much clear about the sex determination. Is it clear to all? Now you please open your camera. Last 5 minutes. ये बाकी लोग इतना शर्माते क्यों हैं? प्रिंस मीना को तो मैंने ले नाम लिया प्रिंस का, उसने कैमरा ऑन किया, वाह यार, ले फिर चला गया। ओके, नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। मम्मी ने घर में सब्जी बनाई है। मम्मी बनाती है मेथी की सब्जी, पालक की सब्जी, क्या क्या बनाती है। मतलब मम्मी लोग तो बहुत बेकार होते हैं, दुनिया के सबसे बेकार चीज। और ये हमको जो पसंद है वो क्या होता है कि 5 रुपीज वाला चिप्स का पैकेट या वो 50 रुपीज वाला बेकरी प्रोडक्ट, वो तो तब भी ठीक है, या पिज्जा, बर्गर, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, ये सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है। इज इट योर न्यूट्रिशनल नीड? क्या यही आपके बॉडी की न्यूट्रिशनल नीड है कि आप रोज एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पिए, कुरकुरे खाएं, सड़े हुए चिप्स खाएं, मंचूरियन खाएं, चाउमीन खाएं? क्या यही आपकी बॉडी को चाहिए?
नो सर। नो सर।
अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप वो खा सकते हैं। इफ यू आर वेजिटेरियन तो क्या खाना पड़ेगा? घास ही खानी पड़ेगी। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
अच्छा, तो नीड, योर बॉडी नीड बैलेंस डाइट डेली, नॉट ऑकेजनली। नाउ सेकंड थिंग, ये रोज नहाना जरूरी है क्या? इज टेकिंग बाथ एवरी डे इज मस्ट? छुट्टी है तो संडे को नहाते हैं। Is it necessary to take bath every day?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Is it necessary to change our clothes regularly?
Yes,
यस
sir.
यस सर।
क्या रोज रोज के काम अच्छा लगता है क्या ये सब? हाँ भाई, रोज रोज नहाना भी पड़ेगा, रोज कपड़े भी चेंज करने पड़ेंगे, रोज साफ कपड़े पहनना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज you are in adolescence age, you are on set of puberty, number of secondary sexual characteristics are taking place in your body, that's why you have to maintain personal hygiene. हर बात में मम्मी ऐसा चांटा दिखा दिखा के नहीं करेगी कि ये चलो नहाने जाओ, चलो ये करो, चलो वो थोड़ा सा तो दिमाग लगाओ। क्लास 8th में आ गए, 2 महीने बाद 9th में पहुंच जाओगे, मूछें आ गई कईयों की, मेरे जैसी। मेरी तो काली से सफेद भी हो गई, तो मैं तो बड़ा हो गया कि नहीं हो गया?
सर हो गए।
तो तुम तो ना तो बड़े हो ना छोटे हो, तुम समवेयर इन बिटवीन, बड़े छोटे। तो थोड़ा समझदार तो बनो, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ। वो दिन भर लेटे रहना क्या अच्छी बात है? ठंड लग रही है तो बिल्कुल रजाई ओढ़ के दिन भर टीवी के सामने बैठे रहते हो। टेक केयर ऑफ योर वेट, ना आपका वेट ज्यादा बढ़ना चाहिए ना आप दुबले होने चाहिए। एक्सरसाइज, कितने महीने निकल गए एक्सरसाइज करते हुए? कितने दिन से कोई गेम नहीं खेले, आउटडोर गेम?
सर रोज जाता हूँ मैं तो।
जाता हूँ सर मैं।
रोज खेलते हैं।
अच्छा,
रोज होता है।
कौन सा गेम खेलते हो जिसमें स्वेट?
क्रिकेट।
फुटबॉल।
हाँ, क्रिकेट सबसे रद्दी गेम है वो, क्रिकेट। उससे अच्छा कबड्डी खेल
सर
लो।
भागने दौड़ने वाला कोई सा भी
फुटबॉल।
सर भागने दौड़ने वाला खेलते हैं।
कुछ नहीं हो तो साइकिल चलाओ, कुछ नहीं है तो दौड़ लगाओ, कुछ नहीं है कबड्डी खेलो, खो खो खेलो, फुटबॉल खेलो, वॉलीबॉल खेलो, बास्केटबॉल खेलो, कुछ भी खेलो, क्रिकेट मत खेलो। और जब तक आपका टर्न नहीं आता, जब तक कोने में खड़े हुए ऐसे बॉल के इंतजार में,
सर बॉल
पूरा
पकड़ने
गेम
के लिए भी भागना पड़ता है।
अरे बॉल आती कितनी देर में? जरा से ग्राउंड में तू क्रिकेट खेलता रहता है बेटा, हमको सब पता है।
नो सर,
वहाँ
मैं
कितना दौड़ता है, सामने घर के सामने जो पार्क है।
नो सर, मैं वहाँ नहीं खेलता सर, बहुत टाइम से नहीं खेला।
तो हमें क्या जरूरत है, अब वो आपको समझ में, आपकी बॉडी में से 24 घंटे में एक बार पसीना निकलना चाहिए। यू हैव टू रिलीज स्वेट फ्रॉम योर बॉडी। ठीक है, क्रिकेट खेलो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पसीना लेके घर लौटा करो, खेलो क्रिकेट, मुझे क्या दिक्कत है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है, आप खूब क्रिकेट खेलो। लेकिन पर्सनल हाइजीन, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, नो रॉन्ग हैबिट्स, मना करना सीखो लोगों को। बड़े होगे ना, कॉलेज में जाओगे, कोई बोलेगा अरे ये कर ले, स्मोकिंग कर ले, मजा आता है। अब कैसे मना करूं, मैं तो मना ही नहीं कर पाया और अपन ने शुरू कर दिया। चाहे गर्ल्स हो चाहे बॉयज हो, सब बिगड़ते हैं आजकल। सब सुन लो कान खोल के, भले ईयरफोन लगा है लेकिन कान में आवाज जा रही है कि नहीं मेरी?
यस सर, जा रही है।
मैंने तो समझा दिया और राइट टाइम पे समझाया, जब अपनी एज शुरू हुई है तब समझाया। उसको आपके अंदर कितना गुस्सा और कितने सालों तक रहता है, मैं तो कान पकड़ के खींचता रहूंगा, बड़े हो जाओगे तब भी। आगे बात समझ में? कल का जो एक काम सभी बच्चों को बताया मैंने कि एक डायग्राम दिया है आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में पूरी बॉडी का, उसमें डिफरेंट ग्लैंड्स, उनके डिफरेंट फंक्शंस एंड देयर लोकेशंस, ये सब नोट लिख कर लाना है आपको। मैं किसी से ही बोल दूंगा एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर,
यस सर।
यस सर।
खुश रहना सीख लो, ना मुस्कुराओ। आप देवेश्वर की क्लास में हैं, ऐसे मुस्कुराइए, फुल कंप्लीट स्माइल। या देखो हमारा चैत कितना बढ़िया मुस्कुराता है। वेरी गुड। नाउ शांति पाठ। शांति शांति शांति। साई राम चिल्ड्रन।
साईराम सर।
साईराम सर, थैंक यू सर।
Sairam sir, thank you sir.
थैंक यू सर।